All right, everybody, wanted to quickly talk about Number Sense Notebook entry number 5 with you guys. So, very quickly, we're going to multiply each of these and describe if there's a pattern. So, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 20 is 20, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 20 is 60. Okay, 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 20 is 100. 5 times 2 is 24. And 20 times 12, well, I've got to work it out. So 12 times 20, okay, 0 times 0, 0, anything times 0. So I'm just going to put a placeholder here because I already know that's a 0. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2, so it's going to be 240. Okay, so now the question is, do you see any sort of pattern? And so the pattern I see is it's the same number, we just added a 0. So, all right. On this one right here, you are going to see which of these would be true and use each one of the cards one time. So let's start off by go ahead and adding each of these. 52 plus 28. I know that gives me 10. I carry my 1, and I get 80 whenever I add this up. So I need a number that is less than 80. So, or technically added with it is less than 80. So I'm looking for some number smaller than 70. All three of these are smaller than 70. Let's go on to the next one because that one could be all those options technically. So we're going to say 29 plus 24. We get 13 here, carry my 1, we get 54. I need a number that is smaller than 53. Okay, and so technically that would be this one right here, 34. Okay, that can only be that one. Now let's do this one right quick. 73 plus 25. When I do that, I get 8, 9, 98. And then some number plus 37 would get, and it needs to be equal to that. So let's try my two options that I have available, 61 and 54. So I'm just going to randomly pick the 61, 37, and I need it to be exactly 98. 7 plus 1 is 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. So that worked out. 61 is this one, and this leaves it as 54. Okay. The next one, sorry about that. We are to find a box with a garden, and we want it 100 total square feet. So we want area we multiply length times width. So an easy one for 100 square feet. For a rectangle, all squares are technically considered rectangles. So by definition, this 10 by 10 would work out. Okay. If I were to say 20 times 5, just like we had up there, that would work out. Okay. If I had 25 times 4, that would work out. You can have a variety of different choices. Okay. This next one, we have a question about, will all even numbers multiplied by 2 result in an even number? The answer is yes. Okay. You can explain it however you want to, but my simple answer is going to be yes because I'm running short on time. Okay. And we earned $18 for babysitting. Put a point value at $18. Well, 18. So we've got 12, we've got 20. The in between those is going to be uh, around 16. So I'm going to put it right here in between it. Okay. Make sure you have made corrections. Make sure you have checked it and put it into your notebook.